Yo, what's up, boys and girls? We're back again with another movement prep video right here at the Top Strength Project for Strip Cam Training Systems. We're gonna go over a dumbbell pullover. This is a nice one. Straight arm pull down, one of my favorite exercises. However, don't sleep on your dumbbell pullovers. This is gonna be the one to open up your overhead range. Great way to lengthen your lats, which is something that is commonly very tight in strength athletes. We're pressing a lot. We're very internally rotated, biased this way, which as a result affects our ability to get overhead. What a great exercise to manage that. So we're gonna do this particular one here on the bench. I'm gonna have you guys come out into a bridge, all right? Specific to the bridge, our shoulder blades are on the bench. I want you to squeeze the glutes, scoop the pelvis. You know you're scooped when you can feel the hamstring right beneath the glutes. That's what we're looking for. You wanna squeeze here, scoop the hips underneath, shorten the abdomen. All right, that's our position. A little bit of extra credit. You can pronate the toes as well, kind of flatten the arch of your feet. When you do that, you're gonna feel more adductor and more glute, where the adductors control pelvis and pull the pelvis through, you get more glute contraction. There's your bridge. Maintain that the entire time. I'm gonna take this, reach overhead. If you grab a side view, you can see something that's very interesting. This is as far as I can go, but if I use some breath cycles, nice long inhale, say 4 seconds into the nose, and like an 8-second exhale, watch this dumbbell. I'll inhale again, exhale. There's my end range. Now I'm gonna load that. Breathe in, repeat, all the way back. Nice stretch, pull through, inhale. Inhale. So, dumbbell pullover, traditionally used as an exercise to develop the lats in the length and range. However, there's a bit of a hole there because you don't get a lot of contraction in the shortened range. That's where the straight arm pull down shines. You can get really good contraction in the bottom, where here at the end range, the dumbbell's in front of you, so you lose that. So that's why I like using this variation as more of a loaded stretch to open up the range and the lats. This is something I do at the beginning of a training session for a movement prep, but I also like using this at the end of a session. Let's say I've done a lot of pressing, done a lot of pulling, and my lats are very short in tone. This is a great way to influence that, create some length, and start the recovery process early. The more often you do this stuff, guys, the more you can influence your passive and active access to range. So, dumbbell pullover, get them in, guys. Thanks a lot.